too stupid. Good morning. We made it through the night. We're having some coffee now. Oh yeah. Great. Let's do this. Just find my sweet spot here. Find our way out of here. Goodbye, campground. Just having a look at the camera. Ooh. Okay, never look at the camera while driving. Not cool. Early in the morning. Hello, friends. Woo. Hello, Leni. Good morning. Good morning! Good morning! Woofty woof! Let's get this show on the road. It's not so easy to get out on here, so we'll just try my best. Checking out this abandoned place now. Looking forward to it. Maybe can fly the drone a bit. Awesome. We are on our way to the abandoned Russian military bunker building base, army base. Okay, tschüss.
Gute Fahrt, viel Spaß.
Dankeschön. Bro, see you next time. Let's go. Next stop, Czech Republic. See how that goes. Man, that was such a cool first night. But for now, very much looking forward to the ride. Have some good fun in the mountains. Can't wait for that. Having a break, I noticed this here is ripping apart because of all the vibrations. I had this little thingy down here, and this is why it was all shaking and stuff. So now I put it here, which is the cooler position anyways. I stabilized the license plate. Now it's rock solid. Doesn't vibrate anymore. Good job. Good job, me. Very close to the Czech border now. And I wonder what it would be like. Like usually you can just drive past, but now since Corona, that can be interesting. Okay, that's it. Nothing. I'm in Czech Republic now. That was easy. Have some gas. It's always so crazy how you cross a border and then all of a sudden everything looks so different. Like not just the writings, just everything. Houses, everything looks different. People. Gotta love these roads. So cool. Oh yeah, man, that is so awesome. Gotta watch those potholes though, they're a bit messed up. So awesome. It keeps getting better and better. This is exactly why I go. Oh man, this is a cool lake. Guys, just stop by. That could be stupid. That could be stupid, but who cares, right? Awesome. What a cool lake. Oh yeah, that was stupid, I guess. What a cool lake though. Awesome. Oh man. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! That was fun. Get my camping spot. €8. That's not too bad. Find a good spot somewhere in the corner. Hello kids. Some sheep in the back. That could be worse.